Hello friends, I am Bhagyesh Deshmukh here. Students, I am going to continue the lesson from standard 4, lesson number 1, the English exam. In my previous video, I taught you about half story, but here I am going to continue the story of Raghu. See students, what happened first ki Raghu was in confusion mood that today is English exam, but what he got maths exam. Then after that teacher convinced Raghu that please do something, and what happened then, see page number 8. Raghu kept on speaking to himself, means Raghu is talking to himself. वो अपने आप में कुछ बात कर रहा है, कुछ बोल रहा है, रघु अपने आप से बात कर रहा है. See what he is saying here. It was supposed to be English today. I know it was supposed to be English today. It was supposed to be English today. वो बार बार एक ही बात बोलता है क्योंकि he feels that कि अरे मैंने तो इंग्लिश का पढ़ाई किया था और मैथ्स का एग्जाम आ गया, एंड अपने आप से वो बड़बड़ कर रहा है, वो बात कर रहा है, कुछ धीरे आवाज में बोल रहा है. Raghu's mother noticed him kicking around in his bed, muttering something. Now Raghu's mother comes. Seen this pic, what happens? यहाँ पे रघु बुक के पास हाथ रखकर जोर जोर से बोल रहा है कि it was supposed to English exam today. And here मम्मा को पता चलता है कि कुछ तो भी रघु ने शायद ड्रीम देखा है, और मम्मा रघु के पास जाती है. What she saw here? Muttering. One new word is there, muttering, muttering, muttering. Muttering मतलब मुंह के मुंह में कुछ बोलना. To speak low voice. To speak in a low voice. Raghu, wake up. You must be having a bad dream. Wake up. हाँ, क्या हुआ है? रघु ने कुछ सपना देखा है. उस ड्रीम में वो बोल रहा है कि no, it's supposed to English exam. It's supposed to English exam. Now mother is telling to Raghu that Raghu, wake up. आपको शायद बुरा सपना दिखा है कुछ. In your bed, of course. Please Raghu, wake up. Oh mummy, where I am? Oh mummy, where I am? क्योंकि वो इतना सपने में खो जाता है कि वो उठने के बाद बोलते हैं मम्मा मैं कहाँ हूँ, मैं कहाँ हूँ. मम्मा बोलती है in your bed, of course बेटा. Wake up. I think you saw a very bad dream. Then Raghu is going to tell everything to his mother. What it is? Raghu looked around. He was indeed in his bed at home. अब रघु आँख खोलता है और आजू बाजू में देखता है तो क्या पाता है? He is in his bed. वो अपने बेड में होता है और उसको पता चलता है कि अरे मैं तो एक बुरा सपना देख रहा था. It must have been a dream. Oh mummy, I had such a bad dream. Now he is telling, जैसे हम अपनी मम्मी से हमारे हर बात को शेयर करते हैं, सभी बातें बताते हैं, वैसे he is also in a dream. कि वो बताता है कि मम्मा मैंने एक बहुत बुरा सपना देखा, और he tell each and everything to her, his mama, that what happened in his dream. Calm down and tell me all about it. Calm down, calm down. अब मम्मा कहते शांत हो जाओ, धीरे से आपकी कौन सी बातें जो मुझे बताओ. Then on page number 9, see what happened. Raghu told his mother about his dream. Mummy, I dreamed that I went to the school to appear for my English exam. I found that we had the maths exam that day. I was in such a panic. What he is saying? Mummy, I dreamed that. What I dreamed that? That it was my maths exam and I was prepared for English only. And he is in a very what we can say, see, he just hugged to his mama and telling each and everything about the dream. Oh, you poor boy, have you forgotten your exams are over? मम्मा क्या करती है कि सी बाबू आपका एग्जाम तो खत्म हो गया. Today is your first holiday. Relax and enjoy your holiday. What mama is saying? This is your holiday first day and you just forget about everything. Just enjoy and go to play. So here friends, you enjoyed the story, and the homework is that you have to tick the correct answers of all the given questions from page number 9, and just read each and every hard words and the words written in blue letters. Thank you.